Okay, I'm not embarrassed to say, but this is my bearing removal tool before. This was just a pipe. I was hitting with one hammer on one side and hoping that the bearing is going to come at the other end. That's before I got this thing, which I'm going to show you in this video how to use. This is a bearing removal and push back in kit. This is made by a company called XSTARYE, and then you have bearing puller, bearing pusher. And I'm not going to just show you the kit on the table, I'm going to actually pull a bearing. So how it works, it's actually pretty ingenious. So you have this little tool that goes in here, right? So it's going to go through the bearing. Once it's on the other side, you have this little gadget that screws in here. There it is. So it's locked. You see how the bearing, it's just jammed in here, and then this one cannot escape. So imagine this bearing is inside something, right? And then you have this little gadget that this one screws in. So now you have the bearing that needs to be pulled, and then this little resting legs, which can be locked from this nut over here. And these are pulling the bearing by screwing this screw over here on top. So you have an Allen wrench over here. It's going to pull it out, and then you have this spacer that you could remove them to give yourself more room to work. And if you have a different size bearing, then just find the appropriate bearing tool for it. This is too big, so we're going to go to the next one, which is this one over here. And the same gadget goes in here, and then now the bearing cannot escape, and you could pull it out. So you get it really, really tight, and then put it back into the bearing puller, and it will pull it out. But what I like about this kit is that it actually can put bearings back in. So there is no press to push the bearings back in, but you should never hit the bearing on this part over here because you could damage it. So what you want to do, you want to hit it on the outside. And for that, there is a tool. So how this works is that you have this little gadget over here. You use a hammer at the end, so it's a very, very solid piece of metal. And basically you drive the bearing back in without touching the inside of the bearing, which this one is specifically designed so it doesn't damage it. This is a perfect example for that. This is a bearing on a wheel that has to come out. The press goes in here like this, and here's the configuration we're working in right now. So these are pushing here on the edges. So this tool, it's basically mounted on the wheel itself, and when you start cranking this bolt, you're going to start pulling that bearing out. The Allen wrench was not included into the kit. I want to be very, very specific as far as that goes. And then this is going to start pulling that bearing out. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for you over here a little bit. So yes, if you use it without actual attachment, it will scrape a little bit the rim. So if you have black rims like this, what you could do is you could just make sure that you put something over there to protect it. All that pressure has to go somewhere, so this little powder coating over there is going to get it scratched. With that bearing out, this is the replacement bearing is going to go in there. This is a 6002, 6202. This is the one. So this is going to be the one that's going to push that bearing back in. And to go back in, all you have to do is just smack the hell out of it. So the tool is on it. I think a little bit more. And that's it. Maybe a little bit too much. No, I'll have to pull it up a little bit because I think I got it a little bit too tight. So right now I've just undone a little bit. I pulled the bearing a little bit out because I'm undoing my mistake where I hammered it a little bit too hard in there and it was a little bit too tight on the connecting tube. So I got it fixed. Now the bearing is nice and loose. And as usual, there's going to be a product link at the bottom for this particular tool made by XSTARYE. So it's a very, very nice tool. Very, very cool instructions, everything that you need to pull the bearings out. Works great on motorcycles. Thanks for watching.